Welcome back to Celebrities in History. Today, we're unwrapping 20 astonishing, weird, and wonderful events that happened on December 14th throughout the years. From legendary births to iconic moments, we've got stories that'll entertain and surprise you. So grab a seat, hit that subscribe button, and let's dive into this incredible journey through time. Number 20. On December 14th, 1988, Vanessa Hudgens was born. Turning 36 on December 14, 2024, the High School Musical star is still breaking free and captivating audiences. She's proof that you can bop to the top and stay there. Number 19. Tori Kelly, the soulful singer with golden curls, was born on December 14, 1992. She'll turn 32 on December 14, 2024, continuing to serenade us with her angelic voice. Talk about hitting all the right notes. Number 18. Born on December 14, 1895, King George VI led the UK through World War II. He passed away at age 56, but not before inspiring the film, The King's Speech. Sometimes, the quietest voices make the loudest impact. Number 17. On December 14, 1503, the legendary seer Nostradamus was born. He died at age 62 but left us pondering his cryptic prophecies. Maybe he saw this shoutout coming. Number 16. George Washington died on December 14, 1799, at age 67. The first U.S. president couldn't tell a lie, and neither can we when we say he set the gold standard for leadership. Number 15. On December 14, 1972, astronaut Gene Cernan became the last human to walk on the moon. He left his footprints and daughter's initials up there, proving that dads really do go the extra mile, or 238,900 miles. Number 14. Saturday Night Fever discoed into theaters on December 14, 1977. John Travolta's moves had everyone staying alive on the dance floor. Bell-bottoms and disco balls, anyone? Number 13. On December 14, 2013, Beyoncé dropped her self-titled album without warning. The surprise release had fans worldwide saying, "Who runs the world? Bey." Number 12. Born on December 14, 1946, actress Patty Duke charmed us before passing at age 69. From winning an Oscar at 16 to playing twins, she proved that double the talent equals double the fun. Number 11. On December 14, 1979, The Clash released London Calling, rocking the punk world. The iconic album cover even paid homage to Elvis Presley. Talk about a clash of musical titans. Number 10. Guess Who's Coming to Dinner premiered on December 14, 1967, tackling interracial marriage with star power from Sidney Poitier. Dinner conversations were never the same again. Number 9. Born on December 14, 1979, Sophie Monk turns 45 on December 14, 2024. The Aussie singer and actress keeps us entertained, proving you can go from pop princess to Hollywood starlet. Number 8. Actress Dee Wallace was born on December 14, 1948, and turns 76 in 2024. Best known as the mom in E.T., she's been phoning home to our hearts ever since. Number 7. Jane Birkin, born December 14, 1946, passed away at age 76 in 2023. The British-French actress and singer inspired the famous Hermes Birkin bag. Talk about leaving a stylish legacy. Number 6. On December 14, 1911, Roald Amundsen reached the South Pole, beating the competition cold. He proved that sometimes the best direction is straight down, or south, in this case. Number 5. On December 14, 1962, Mariner 2 became the first spacecraft to fly by Venus. NASA proved that even planets named after love goddesses enjoy a good flyby. Number 4. On December 14, 1985, Wilma Mankiller became the first female principal chief of the Cherokee Nation. She showed us that leadership isn't about gender, it's about spirit. Number 3. Born on December 14, 1949, baseball legend Bill Buckner passed away at age 69. Known for his hitting and an infamous error, he reminded us that even the greats have their slips. Number 2. Actress Anna Lee was born on December 14, 1913, and died at age 91. From British films to General Hospital, she was the grand dame of screen and soap. Number 1. On December 14, 2007, I Am Legend starring Will Smith, was released. Battling alone in a deserted New York City, he made us all question our zombie apocalypse preparedness. Thanks for joining us on this incredible journey through December 14th's fascinating history. If you enjoyed these weird, wonderful, and mind-blowing facts, please give this video a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe to Celebrities in History for more captivating stories that bring the past to life. Hit that notification bell so you never miss an update. We've got plenty more history to uncover.